What's up, guys? Eddie back in the garage again. Today we got a bunch of goodies in the mail, all kinds of places. All these parts are for our Project 83 Cutlass, little minor drag car, little beginner drag car. Walk you guys through it. Let's see what we got. We got a box inside of a box. Here we have our upper control arm. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to give you guys links to everything that I got, the prices. This is an absolute budget build. This is our Southside Machine Performance upper adjustable G-body control arm. Looks fantastic. Let's get rid of that. So guys, make sure hard. It is grade 8. God, gotta look. Got some pulley kits, a lot of brackets. Also, gonna do a fuel line upgrade, and I got some copper 1/4-inch brake line. We're gonna do some of that. Gotta be safe. Gotta go fast. You gotta stop. This is also part of our pulley kit. V-belt. Nice black finish pulleys we got here. We're going to walk out through all of this stuff. These are our BMR 1.5-inch lowering springs. Pretty. BMR. These are BMR part number SP037RA. Again, I'll give you guys links to all this stuff, prices. A lot of this I got a lot cheaper off Amazon or BMR. Like I said, budget build, it's in the works. When you spend a bunch of extra money on the same parts, somebody else got it. All right. I'm not going to take this out of the box. This one I opened earlier. This is a Summit Racing 10-inch 3000 stall converter. Put that in the description for you guys as well. Let you know what we're running there. If you guys want to know more about the engine, I can put all of that stuff out there too for you guys to understand what we're running as far as cam, heads, everything. Let's see. Stickers, you and I. Here we have what's the paper? What's the paper? This is our rear sway bar. Porcelain is red. I think it looks sharp. UMI, performance rear sway bar, help with some of that traction. Hopefully get rid of some of that G-body shuffle. Or get this out the way here. There's some hardware in there. So we went and ordered a set down here on the floor. We got our 4.9-inch setup for a G-body. Gave it a call to Speedway, got our axles, 31 spline. I just been waiting to see what it's like. Bunch of goodies. Today is a good day. There she is. 31 spline, Ford 9-inch axle. Got to cut those down. Got one long, one short. Got the other box here. I want to unbox that for you guys. These also came from Speedway, and they have a set, actually pretty well priced gauges. Full set, everything but the RPM. I think that'll be in the speedometer this time around. And our brand new oil pan, KMG Performance Salt 7-core oil pan, finished in black. Comes with a magnetic drain plug. Beautiful. That's what we have for you guys today. As we move along and progress with this car, I'm going to show you guys everything we do all along the way. Like I said, I'm going to give you guys links, prices. We've only got about $3,400 into this car for performance-wise on the engine, and only about $2,600 in suspension. So you guys let me know what you think. If you've done it cheaper, you know better ways, let's hear them. Chit chat. I'll see you guys on the next one.